For years, the notion of extraterrestrial visitors has captivated humanity, inspiring countless theories, debates, and even government investigations. The conversation about unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, colloquially known as UFOs, is finally shifting from the realm of science fiction and conspiracy theories to serious academic inquiry. A pivotal driver of this transformation is the Galileo Project, an ambitious initiative launched in July 2021 by Harvard University astrophysicist Avi Loeb. The Galileo Project aims to bring the search for extraterrestrial technological evidence under the spotlight of rigorous, transparent, and systematic scientific research. By doing so, it hopes to demystify UAPs and address one of the greatest questions of our existence. Are we alone in the universe? The inception of the Galileo Project can be traced back to the unexpected and enigmatic visitor that passed through our solar system in 2017, an interstellar object known as Oumuamua. Unlike anything astronomers had seen before, Oumuamua exhibited characteristics that led Avi Loeb and other scientists to speculate that it might not be a naturally occurring object. The peculiarities of Oumuamua, combined with other unexplained aerial phenomena documented by military pilots, motivated Loeb to propose a more systematic approach to studying such anomalies. This curiosity laid the foundation for the Galileo Project, named after Galileo Galilei, the astronomer who challenged conventional thinking and changed our understanding of the cosmos. The Galileo Project is dedicated to exploring and understanding UAPs and other potential extraterrestrial artifacts using a scientific methodology. Its mission revolves around three key research areas: detection of UAP in Earth's atmosphere. The first goal of the Galileo Project is to detect and study UAPs in Earth's atmosphere using a network of high-tech observatories. The project plans to deploy an array of ground-based observatories equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, telescopes, and artificial intelligence algorithms. These observatories aim to capture high-resolution multimodal data on UAPs, providing the level of detail needed to move beyond anecdotal evidence and build a reliable database of observed phenomena. Investigation of interstellar objects. Another core focus of the Galileo Project is to investigate anomalous interstellar objects that pass through our solar system. These objects, like Oumuamua, could potentially be artificial in nature. By studying their trajectories, composition, and behavior, the project aims to determine whether any of these interstellar travelers could be evidence of extraterrestrial technology. Search for extraterrestrial satellites. The project also aims to search for potential extraterrestrial satellites orbiting Earth. Unlike the satellites that humans have launched, the Galileo Project wants to determine if there are any non-human-made artifacts in Earth's orbit, a possibility that could reveal previously unknown technological presences around our planet. The approach taken by the Galileo Project stands in stark contrast to the way UFOs have traditionally been studied. Until recently, the topic of UAPs was often relegated to tabloid sensationalism or brushed aside by mainstream scientists. However, the United States government has recently released declassified reports acknowledging the existence of UAPs, with no definitive explanations for many of the sightings reported by military personnel. These revelations have opened the door for more credible scientific inquiry, and the Galileo Project aims to lead this new era of discovery by adhering to strict empirical standards. The Galileo Project emphasizes the importance of collecting high-quality data. It plans to make its findings publicly available, and subject to peer review, a crucial step in bringing legitimacy to the study of UAPs. By employing ground-based observatories with advanced technologies and ensuring transparency, the project hopes to eliminate the stigma associated with UFO research. Since its inception, the Galileo Project has made significant progress in establishing the infrastructure needed for its ambitious goals. By December 2024, several observatories had been established and equipped with state-of-the-art sensors capable of collecting data on potential UAP sightings. These observatories operate continuously, scanning the skies for any anomalies that could represent technological artifacts from other civilizations. In July 2023, the Galileo Project garnered significant attention when Avi Loeb and his team reported the discovery of unusual material from the seafloor that they suggested might be interstellar in origin. This discovery, while controversial, sparked an exciting debate within the scientific community. If confirmed, it could represent the first physical evidence of interstellar matter accessible for analysis, and potentially even an extraterrestrial technological artifact. The project has also been active in building collaborations with institutions and researchers across the globe to advance the study of UAPs in a systematic and credible manner. The Galileo Project is significant not just because it is searching for extraterrestrial life, but because it represents a broader shift in how the scientific community approaches unexplained phenomena. By treating UAPs as a legitimate area of scientific inquiry, the project challenges outdated taboos and opens new possibilities for understanding our place in the universe. For too long, the study of UAPs has been hampered by stigma, secrecy, and a lack of rigorous methodology. The Galileo Project's commitment to transparency, data-driven analysis, and peer review aims to rectify this, bringing UFO research into the mainstream scientific community. The project's name is fitting. Galileo Galilei faced fierce resistance when he challenged the prevailing views of his time, yet his work laid the foundation for our understanding of the cosmos. Similarly, the Galileo Project may well lay the groundwork for a new era of discovery, one that brings us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? Looking forward, the Galileo Project has much work to do. As technology continues to advance, the potential for detecting and understanding UAPs and interstellar objects will only grow. The establishment of additional observatories, coupled with advances in AI and sensor technology, will enhance the project's ability to detect and analyze aerial anomalies. Moreover, the ongoing analysis of interstellar materials and potential collaborations with government agencies and other research institutions could yield breakthroughs that were previously unimaginable. The Galileo Project is a bold endeavor, and whether it ultimately finds conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial technology or not, its efforts will undoubtedly expand our understanding of the universe. By applying the scientific method to one of the most intriguing mysteries of our time, the Galileo Project is helping to bridge the gap between speculation and science, encouraging humanity to look up at the stars with both curiosity and critical thinking. To stay updated on groundbreaking discoveries and unravel the mysteries of UAPs, subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments below.